The ZCC community programme has reached out to encourage new groups and new areas to do their bit for climate and nature. One way this has been achieved is through sponsoring events as part of the annual Great Big Green Week, promoted by the Climate Coalition of National Charities, and more recently by working with the Cumberland Food Partnership to support low-carbon food-focused activities such as the Big Lunch and Harvest Fest, where messages about reducing food waste, supporting local growers and producers, and eliminating plastic waste can be shared. In total, more than £34,000 has been distributed to 138 different groups over the years. One of the early pioneers of Great Big Green Week in Cumbria was St Bees Green Futures, led by volunteer Amy Linton.
We found Great Big Green Week a useful way to build community interest and taking pride in the local area by organising litter picks at the beach. Our first activity was a community craft event encouraging upcycling and also making green hearts. And since then, we've really invested in the Swap Together for Good theme by organising clothes swaps, toy swaps, craft material swaps and game swaps. These are fun and sociable events for people, but they also encourage people to think about their purchasing choices.
Great Big Green Week has also been an opportunity to build engagement from different communities such as refugees and asylum seekers, disabled people's groups, and to support people with mental health issues. Schools and youth clubs, parish councils and community centres, many different charities have taken part. Adrian Gill from Carlisle One World Centre has built strong links with local women's groups.
Our Green Week activities were really concentrating on the international women and some of their activities. And we work with women from all over the world, including the refugee communities of Syria, Afghanistan, Ukraine, working on something like crafts or preparing food or bringing along food to a table. It really brings people together and builds community.
As well as supporting more vulnerable groups, ZCC resources have enabled us to reach out to different areas of Cumbria. For example, we've enabled West Coast groups and individuals with an interest in climate and nature to connect with each other through West Together. Patch is a key member of the network based at the Oval Centre in Salterbreck.
I'm really pleased with the progress of the upcycling workshop and our repaint scheme, which recycles unwanted paint and decorative materials, as well as upcycling furniture and our groups as well, which are evolving nicely. We started a refill project, which is being really successful, and we sell that through our community cafe, which is great. We've just not long become a community interest company, which is brilliant. And we're continuing to build our presence on social media. I've really appreciated about learning about all the different things going on in the area, and also for the support that we've received from West Together and Zero Carbon Cumbria. Thank you.